Hi everyone, this is Mina and I'm a Filipina living in the Philippines where we can give you a reality advices about Filipina. So again, this video will be not cut. I don't care if I will do a lot of mistake. You should need to adjust. Who the one will adjust, me or you? No, kidding aside. But going back to our topic, I'm gladly guys to help those people who want to start a relationship or searching about what Filipino true color is. This advices, guys, disclaimer, it's based on my experience and reality. Expectations between reality. I'm just giving you the advice. You should be happy. Let's clap. So giddy. So yes, like what I said, this will be called series number one, and we'll call it foreigner must have know before dating a Filipina. Top one in the list is the attitude. Yes, for those foreigners who want to date a Filipina, guys, please know the attitude of your girl or you're a Filipina, because not all Filipina like what you hear, what you see, and what you hear in a Facebook. It's true. But no. Yes, some of Filipina is caring, thoughtful, laughing, and most of the time it's joyful. But not all of us is like that. Like me, I'm not a caring, I'm not a thoughtful, I'm not a loving girlfriend. But later on, we adjust each other. Because you want that relationship. You develop the connection with your partner. So, yes, I'm a that Filipina that you need to watch until the end, guys, because this is the reality. You need to guys to know what exactly the true color of your chin-up before you invest too much, because again, here in the Philippines we don't have divorce, we only have annulment, and it's that one, it's cost too much money. What I say, it's don't invest too much financially and mentally, physically for someone you did not know the attitude first. Not just because you have a friend, have a Filipina caring, taking care of him. Do you think, guys, do you really imagine that, hello, you will dating and chatting a Filipina, you will see the true color? No, not until you will meet her in personally. Basically, you will feel that also eh. Actually, right now, there's a lot of YouTube channel here that giving you an advice and a reality about the Filipina. But this one, guys, like what I said, I just want to talk to you and giving you the reality. I'm not that kind of Filipina. So, technically, I'm not having my boyfriend so much. I'm caring too. But I think I have a problem, which is like emotional intelligence. No kidding. We passed that already. So this is not about my relationship. This is about giving you advice. Again, based on my own experience. You should guys know what your Filipina attitude first, because we have a different country, not your girls in your country is same in a Filipina. We have called it pakipot. One pakipot is like trying hard to be like a innocent. We called it like that, pakipot. So, yeah, you guys is one of the man like very liberated, and your girl is just pakipot. Do you think you can get what you want? No. And then we still have a decent, we still have dignity here, guys. I'm not saying you guys that Filipino don't have a dignity. We have a dignity. We have a pride too. But I'm just saying, before you invest, know where you will invest first. Because at the end of the day, a lot of foreign and a lot of documentaries say that Know your girlfriend or Filipina first, because all of the foreigners go back to their country without nothing, without new clothes, without anything. Those Filipinos grab everything with him. Do you get my point? First, you need to know is the attitude. If that girl is honest like what you want, basically we didn't change that. That's the reality. We cannot control the reality because people change about the traumas experience that we're facing. So, it's not only in the Filipina ha, but most of the time who have a foreign and trying to have starting a relationship in the Filipina, they always say, "Oh my gosh, it's too late. I'm regret. I cannot back everything. Too late. I already invested on that girl." So, even you don't like that attitude that she have, you don't have a choice because we don't have a divorce here. You need to be stay on her, not unless she the one who will kick you out here in the country. You get my point? You need to be open your eyes. Not just because you heard that Filipina is caring and you have someone that the Filipina girlfriend taking care of her. Girl, not just because you see the pussy, meaning you get the happy heavily after. It's not like that. It's not work here in the Philippines. Especially right now, there's a lot of corruption, there's a lot of human trafficking, there's a lot of calamity happened. Do you think we still have that kind of personality? Oh no. Right now, the Filipino is so very empowered, so very dominant. I'm not saying this, guys. I'm also a Filipina. I love a Filipina, but that's the reality. That's why most of the foreign retired, especially the retirement visa that you want, and you want to have a Filipina girlfriend here, guys, you're already in your age. You know already what you need to do. Invest your money for something. Don't invest to the Filipina. If you not see her in a person, why you need to invest too much? Make sense? I'm number two in the list. It's the culture. Yes, the culture. You need to be ready in the culture so you will not be in a culture shock. Because here in the Philippines, we have utang na loob. Here in your country, you don't care about paying back in your parents, helping other relatives. Here in the Philippines, it's a big deal, guys. Whether you like it or not, if you dating a Filipina who loves to help or paying back their parents, relative who help them when they are young, you should need to taking her of what she taking her right now. You get my point. You need that. You need to know about the utang na loob. And most of the time, you need to know where your Filipina live is. Because Philippines is a big island. There's a lot of island and traditional and different traditionals. There is a traditional that you need to give a gift for the parents before you get their daughter, because they will not allow you, even you are guys in a relationship, they will allow you. It's against on their tradition and their law. There's a town like that here in the Philippines, so you must know where she lived to and what kind of traditions they have. Because honestly, one of the funny moment or one of the crazy thing that we are fighting before is the culture. But just because you see the Filipinos is happy, yes, we are happy, happy country, but there's a lot of Filipino also took always advantage for those foreigners. Guys, I'm not saying this to destroy the Filipina. It's the reality. Search a lot of things about culture and attitude before you go in a relationship with the Filipina. Like what I said, this channel is so very true. No filter, it's a reality. Whether you like it or not, you should need to stay to be more knowledgeable, right? So top three in the list, guys, it's a family background. You must have know what their family background. If they are in the middle class, if they are in the poorest of the poor, they are wealthy, they are riches. Because guys, if you don't know or research about their family background, it will be lead in your problem. Because most of the Filipina right now here, it's a very dominant. They are very empowered. So if you a foreign like you don't want to help or extended help for those relatives, extended family, it will be a cause of problem because some of Filipinos really want to help their family because of utang na loob. So if you guys want your Filipina stay at home and she want to help your relatives and you cannot give what they asking, it will lead a misunderstanding because again, if your Filipinas came from the zero, you don't have a choice but to help them. If you really love your Filipina, but if you're not like that or you don't have enough money to help other people, you must have to stop that or you must have to continue the relationship with your Filipina and explain to her what the thing that you can able to do about her, not for the whole family that she have. Because again, here in the Philippines, most of the foreign will look you as a gold. You're a gold in our eyes. You're the savior of our life. Because your money, your currency here in the Philippines is way different for our own money. So your currency may look like a lot than what we have. So as a Filipina, never experienced that kind of money that you have. I would took that advantage. I would be blind on that. So me as a Filipina thinking that you love me, you like me so much, I will took that as a trap. So you have your own mind as a foreigner. Do you think your money is enough to helping their family? Do you think you can able to accept the fact that the Filipino always have a utang na loob, especially if your country is so very independent? Here in Philippines, basically, we're not. We're not obligated. It's not our obligation to help or to pay back our parents or relatives that help us in when we are young, when we are poor. But it's a traditional here already. We cannot change that. You need to accept the fact that we are like that. We love helping. We have paying back our parents, and you don't like that kind. You should need to talk to your Filipina as soon as possible about that kind of situation. So it will be stop or will go to the bad thing with your relationship. And I believe also most of the Filipina always choose their foreigners after they help their usually based on my research and my experience. Uh, we always help our parents basically on what and how much we can help them. But if we cannot help them anymore, that's it. Like me and my partner always talk about we have a little extra to help them because they asking about a little bit of help. And I'm not the only one of that. Most of the Filipina who have a foreign partner, it's like that too. Because again, most of you guys also don't want your partner work. And that's the reason why you are finding a Filipina to take care of you, right? But the problem is not all the Filipino wants live inside the house. So if she's the one to help their family, leave her alone. Do what you want, but know the limitation and the boundary. You guys know what the rules in your relationship. Because I think if the Filipino really love you, she will sacrifice everything. She will change. She will accept the fact that it's not the same like before. Especially with you guys, it's her life. I'm sure Filipina is still in a good heart. They will not took advantage of you. There's a little bit of, need to tackle, but I think and I believe that you guys will talk about it in a nice way. And then last in the list, it's a law. Here in the Philippines, guys, you will be shocked in our laws. Basically, it's I'm a Filipino, but it's so funny because about searching, watching a lot of vlogs about dating or having a relationship with foreigners, and knowing the reality here in the Philippines. Like what I said, know the law here in the Philippines. First, in driving, you need the international license. You cannot drive here just because you have your license in your country. Most of the traffic enforcers here in the Philippines took advantage of the foreigner. They will acting like you break the law, blah 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 whatsoever, etc. But the thing, if you will give them a money, they will shut up. But the thing, you cannot do it that every time. You need to must have know the traffic law here in the Philippines and be careful on the traffic enforcer here. It's there look like a crocodile, they will bite you. And then second thing about the law is even we don't like cat calls. And girl here in the Philippines is very sensitive. Yeah, you cannot say easily, "Hi, Miss, you're so beautiful." No, ooh, no, 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 no. Hold that, because not all the Filipinos like. I'm OA, yes. I'm so very overacting, but yeah, some of foreigners took advantage because of that. Oh my gosh, you got call on me. You're wearing a sexy dress. Do you think you will not having a cat call? Makes sense. So if you know how to adjust yourself and hold yourself, stop it. And one of the funny thing about the laws here is a very minimal laws here. You cannot walk half naked here. It's a nudity. Nudity. You can be penalized on that, and you need to pay money. First offense, if I'm not mistaken, is a verbal warning or a written warning. And then second thing, if you will not follow their warning, you need to pay them. There's a lot of load here. Even you will give a sum of uh money or food in the beggar, you can be also liable in our law. And here in the Philippines, take note, you cannot also like help people in the street, or some of street or a beggar, because it's so very poor country. There's a law here in the Philippines that they're not allowed to do that. And you're not allowed to give them some money. Funny, but here in the Philippines, there's a lot of corrupt. So they want you to, I think they use that law just to make money. You guys need to, than to help beggar, you need to go to the charities to donate that. I'm just saying the truth. The characteristic of your car, the culture, family background, and most importantly, our laws, if you don't want to deport here in the Philippines and going back to your country without anything. I hope, guys, you will happy to my blog, to my advice. And as a first time here, I hope, I got your attention. Oh, for today's video, guys. Again, this is Mina. Please subscribe my channel and watch my videos. This is my first series about dating a Filipina. And I hope, guys, you learn a lot of things about my advices. And I'm happy to talk with you guys. And guys, if you have a lot of question about dating a Filipina, you are free to comment down below and let's talk about it. And don't hesitate to give a lot of experience about here in the Philippines. We will help you guys. And if you guys planning to do some of searching about here, you can DM me also so I can help you. Okay? Once again, this is Simina, your new Filipina advisor. Stay tuned. Bye.